Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need Wi-Fi and the receiving device ready. Connect both to the same network and enable AirPlay on the TV or Apple TV. Once done, swipe down or up to open Control Center, then tap Screen Mirroring. Choose the displayed device name. The iPhone sends a discovery request and establishes a secure connection so audio and video stream smoothly. Make sure Bluetooth is on if prompted for device discovery. If a passcode appears on screen, enter it on your iPhone to complete pairing and start mirroring. Once mirroring starts, you can optimize what viewers see by setting orientation and closing unnecessary apps. Turn your iPhone to landscape for widescreen content. This makes media fit a 16:9 display better. Use the side buttons to adjust volume and the Control Center slider for brightness. Those changes apply to the mirrored output. If you notice lag, quit video-heavy apps or downloads so CPU and network focus on the mirror session. This reduces stutter and preserves battery life during longer presentations. To end mirroring, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring. That cleanly closes the AirPlay session. If the target device does not appear, restart both devices and confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi and that AirPlay is enabled. Software updates can also restore compatibility. If you experience lag, make sure you're on a 5 GHz network or move nearer to the router to reduce interference. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the receiver first, then the iPhone, because that clears cached discovery data and often fixes stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.